Hello, foodies! Welcome back. The place where we explore mouth-watering recipes from around the world. Today, we have a special treat for you. A classic and savory tomato pie. If you're a fan of tomatoes and cheesy goodness, you're in for a real treat. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more delicious recipes. Now, let's get cooking. Let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this scrumptious tomato pie. 2 cups of ripe tomatoes, thinly sliced. 1 pre-made pie crust, store-bought or homemade. 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh basil for garnish. Preheat the oven. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Prepare the pie crust. Whether you're using a store-bought or homemade pie crust, make sure it's placed in a pie dish and ready to go. Layer the tomatoes. Now, let's layer those beautiful tomatoes. Arrange the thinly sliced tomatoes evenly over the pie crust. Season the tomatoes. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and pepper over the tomatoes to enhance their flavor. Prepare the cheesy mixture. In a mixing bowl, combine the mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, mayonnaise, grated Parmesan, and minced garlic. Mix until well combined. Spread the cheese mixture. Now, generously spread that cheesy mixture over the layered tomatoes. Make sure to cover them evenly. Bake to perfection. Pop your tomato pie into the preheated oven and bake for about 25–30 minutes or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Garnish with fresh basil. Once out of the oven, let it cool for a few minutes. Then, sprinkle some fresh basil on top for that extra burst of flavor and color. Serve and enjoy. And there you have it, a delicious homemade tomato pie, perfect for brunch, lunch, or dinner. Slice it up and savor the flavors. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Until next time, happy cooking!